All right, boys and girls, how's it going here? So for this video, I'm going to talk about what a circumference is. All right, now this is a brand new IXL. So if you saw on the list, it's just AA.New, which is right here. If you take a look at your checklist. All right, now AA.New is going to be right underneath AA5 area circles. So it's easy to find. All right, but if you have trouble, just let me know. Now circumference is done different ways. If you look over here, circumference is done by doing pi times the diameter, or if they give you the radius, 2 times pi times radius. Now circumference is this. I have this necklace here. All right, when I connect this necklace, no arguing, it makes a circle. May not be a perfect circle, but it makes one. Now to find the circumference, I undo it, and I actually measure the length of the necklace. Now I can't do that with a circle. Okay, I don't have that option. So instead what we do is we use the formula for circumference. Okay, so now if you notice again, I ask you to use 3.14 for pi. So you don't have to worry about that, just use that and use your calculator. So check out how easy this is. So first thing you want to identify is, do they give me a radius or a diameter? They'll tell you. They gave me a diameter, which is 4. So I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to use pi times diameter. So I'm just going to do 3.14 times 4. Whew, there's my answer. 12 56/100. Okay. Now, they may get a little harder, but basically it's all about, can I identify a radius and a diameter? Like on this one, so it says the radius of a circle is 2 inches. Okay, so radius, I'm going to use this one, 2 times pi times radius. All right. So watch how simple this is. You don't have to do 2 times pi first because of the what we call the cumulative property. All right, it doesn't matter what order you times your numbers in because you're still going to get the same answer. So basically, I'm going to do 2 times 2 first. So I'm going to do 2 times the radius of 2, which is 4. And then I'm going to do 4 times 3.14. So I get 12.56. Okay. Now, what you could have done was you could have just, if you're not comfortable with that, you could just do 2 times 3.14. So far, I did these first 2. And then times it again by 2, which was my radius. I'll still get the same answer. Either way, it works. All right, I'm going to jump a level. Make this a little harder first. I don't think it gets much harder, but it could. These IXLs are pretty straightforward. Okay, so now it does get a little bit tougher because if you take a look at this one, they're going to give you a circumference of 12 56/100 kilometers, and they want you to find the diameter. So now what you're going to do is I'm going to set this one up with my pencil, and I'm going to have 12.56, and we're going to equal that into 3.14, and we're going to times that by d. So I don't know what d is. So now all you have to do is just do the opposite of what's here, which is multiplication, and divide out pi, which is 3.14. So once you do that, then you can find your answer. So eventually you just know right away that you're going to have to divide here. So I'm going to do 12.56, which I have there ironically, and I'm going to divide it by 3.14. Now there's my diameter, which is 4. Okay, but refer back to this so it can help you out. They're asking you to work backwards there, and we can talk about this in our Zoom meeting tomorrow. I'll make sure to go over this. Okay, I'm going to jump one more level. That might be all I have time for. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, so now they're going to tell us the radius of a circle is 24 kilometers. So now this time they're not going to give you a circle to look at. Okay, they're just going to tell you what the radius is. So then you just go over to here, and you know that you're going to use this formula right here. So you know that you're going to do on your calculator, bring it up, we're going to clear it. We know we're going to do 3.14 times 2 times the radius, which is 24. Okay, so there you go. So then it's going to be 150, and I have just a little bit of time left. 150.72. Okay? All right, boys and girls, best of luck.